Hey friends, if you encounter Windows update error 0x80072efe on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's one thing. This error doesn't occur while trying to update Windows, but it occurs while trying to run the Windows Update Assistant. So the troubleshooting will be a little different. First of all, check and change the internet connection. Go to fast.com and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If it is, then you can proceed with it. And if not, then try to change your internet connection to the 5G one. Usually people connect to the 2.4G one. Try connecting to the 5G connection for a higher speed. The next solution is to check the date and time settings. Okay, and how would you do that? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab, select date and time, make sure that all these three switches are on, and then click on sync now. The next solution is to disable Windows Defender Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Firewall on or off, and then you can disable it temporarily. Select turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both the public and private network and click on OK. Later, when your job is done, then turn it back to normal. After that, disable any third-party VPN or proxy. Now, for the VPN, you'll have to contact the manufacturer, but for the proxy, the procedure is as follows. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, check the box associated with automatically detect settings, and then uncheck the box associated with use a proxy server for your LAN. And lastly, reset the network. That will fix everything for sure. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Now click on network reset and then click on reset now and then on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.